Homemade sweets always bring comfort and happiness, and this delicious milk burfi is one of those recipes. It is quick, easy, and comes together in just few minutes. I am Manjula. Welcome to Manjula's kitchen, and today we will make instant milk burfi. Let's get started. So I am ready to make milk burfi. Heat is on low medium. So I am using 1/4 cup of butter. If you want, you can use ghee. It will be the same thing. So let the butter melt, and I am using low medium heat. Don't cook on high heat. It's very important. Butter is melted. I am using 1 cup of fine sooji. Keep stirring. Sooji will become aromatic and it will change the color slightly brown, not very brown. Sooji is almost getting ready. It has been already 4 minutes. I think just 1 more minute and this will be done. But do keep stirring. If you do it on high heat, it will get brown very quick but not cook. Okay, sooji is ready. It has become very aromatic and it has changed the color very light. It's time to pour the milk. I am using 2 cups of milk. Pour slowly so it doesn't splatter. Also 1 cup of cream. Stir together and keep stirring, otherwise it will have lump. We don't want any milk lumps. And keep cleaning the sides. It has been 2 minutes. As you see, it has started becoming thick, but it's not bubbling yet. You see, now it has started looking like a khoa and it has come together like a soft dough. Now is the time to add the sugar. So I am adding 1 cup of sugar. Mix it together. Mix will become little loose because of the sugar. And keep mixing. This is the time I will add cardamom. Green cardamom crushed, about 1/4 teaspoon. I always like to add the cardamom in any Indian dessert I am making. It gives you nice aroma and very nice flavor. Just wait just about a minute. It should become like a soft dough. This is ready. Now I will turn off the heat, and I am going to add the sliced pistachios, about 8 pistachios and 8 sliced almonds, and mix it together. Burfi is ready, and I am going to put this on a greased plate and spread it nicely. It has to cool off before we can cut them in pieces. Milk burfi looking so good. We don't have to even garnish it. We have to wait at least 15-20 minutes before we will cut them into the pieces. I hope you enjoy making this delicious and simple milk burfi. Do try it and let me know how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, please like, share and subscribe. I really enjoy reading your comments. Stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you, Manjula.